Alright, so I'm having a bit of a problem with this Excel spreadsheet. I have these two columns, and then I have a third column which has a formula that refers to the values in these columns. Now, essentially, these are some results from an analysis we conducted on a few water samples, and I need to add some details. So, for example, this one had heavy zinc contamination, or this one had heavy nickel contamination. So let's say I want to write something over here. Heavy zinc contamination. It just creates an error. It messes up the formula over here, right? Or let's say I try to add the text. In the end, it doesn't take it correctly. I'm able to add the text, sure, but then it messes up the formula again. The other way of doing that is probably to have another column, and then, for example, this sample ID, one way I could do this is, of course, and then and A2 and now it does add the text over here. I can add another column, add the text that I want to add, and then hide that column, but then it messes up the values again. So this is not helping at all. The other workaround that I managed to find was go to format cells, go custom, and add whatever text I want to add, and then it doesn't mess up the column. I can just add that as a format in almost like a unit, like meters or kilometers, but then this is not a very practical solution. I'll have to do that for each and every one of them, and that's a lot of work. So that's not what I want. I'll just go back to normal number. So essentially what I'm trying to do is to be able to add some text here in a way, like a brief description of the sample or whatever, like the latitude, longitude, or anything, the time of collection, without it affecting the formula here. That's what I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure that there is a way, either in Excel or in Microsoft Access, but I don't know, and I need your help.